Welcome to my channel once more. So today I'm going to be making some garlic mashed potato with corned beef and baked bean. So stay tuned. Place peeled and washed potatoes in some boiling water with some salt. I'm gonna be using some butter, freshly grated garlic, and some milk. After the potatoes have been boiled, then you strain it off and place it in your container that you're gonna mash the potatoes in. So next you know, you're gonna add the freshly grated garlic and some butter. I like to use freshly grated garlic because it gives off a good flavor. And add some milk, and then you mash everything together until it reaches that creamy, thick, fluffy consistency. I added a little bit more milk because I wanted it to get a much more creamier texture. And remember to taste as you go along, so that if it needs a little bit more salt, you may add a little bit more salt. And proceed to mash the potatoes to get them to that creamy, fluffy texture like this right here. Now I'm gonna go on to making my corned beef with baked bean. These are my seasoning: tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, onion. This is the corned beef, some baked bean, black pepper, and ketchup. Now move on to placing our seasoning into some hot oil and stir them occasionally to get out the flavors out of your seasoning. Then I'm gonna move on to adding the corned beef to the pot and stir that in as well and combine them together. And next we add the baked bean to the corned beef and the seasoning and stir that in as well. Next up, I'm gonna add some ketchup. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper, and I add a little bit of water and just stir that and allow it to simmer down just for a few minutes. And then this simply delicious meal will be ready. Thank you for watching once more.